Hi, my name is Vaishnav Tambade. I have completed my graduation in BSc IT and then applied for multiple companies. But due to pandemic, I was not able to get my desired job in a prominent company. So I decided to invest some of my savings and scholarship in a stock market. But unfortunately, I lost all the money. And then I had to start from a scratch in searching new job again. And I ended up joining in the back office of Amazon and MX Player, but I was not satisfied since I have completed my graduation in IT and my job was not relevant. So, and after that, I came to know about the IT Vedant through one of my friend, and I joined IT Vedant hoping that I will land in my dream job. So during my tenure with IT Vedant, my academic coordinators were so helpful, and then my mentor started. With the aggressive training followed with their 3A policy. The post that the placement team provided me with the very first opportunity, and I cleared the interview with their immense support. So I'm really thankful to the entire IT Vedant team for making me associate data analyst and landing me up in my dream job with Diacto Technologies Private Limited. Thank you so much.